Wait, are we doing scripted gameplay? I'm supposed to lose?
Oh yeah, I gotta go in front of my.
Cut that out.
Oh. No, me real competition. Son. Joe, no one's gonna watch it if it's fake. We're not like the WWE. We don't have big oily men. No one's gonna want to see us if we're faking it.
Damn it, man.
See, that was a good round. If it was fake, I couldn't notice. Or I was the one playing it, you know.
Oh my god, man!
Oh!
Ah, Jesus! Nice.
Dude, you gotta,
Oh.
What do you think was gonna happen? What was it? Dude, this is...
Fell off like as soon as you died. Can't lie.
This is insane tech. Oh yeah, you're one. Okay. That's alright. This right here is a true round. See, everyone knows that the big round's around 3. The biggest round's around 3. Right?
Yeah. Bro, stop camping, dude.
I'm not even camping.
Damn.
Alright.
Bro pulled out the shotgun so lost.
Hey, man. Let's keep it civil.
Hey, man.
This is the...
Man, what gun is this? Jesus.
Interesting. It's a very loud buzzy noise. Oh, okay. See, this is a cinematic one. See, we needed this.
Damn.
Darn. Joke break. Engage the audience. Tell like a joke.
Oh, a horse goes into a barn, and the bartender asks, "Why the long face?"
That's pretty good. See, that's the engagement we need. We need like a catchphrase or a slogan to put on our Funko Pops. So when we get in front of the U2s. I'm telling you, man, the Joe Kowski U2s is gonna sell like hotcakes. $100? $800.
Jesus, man.
Okay. Oh, this map right here, right? Bound to lead to funny moments. This is the type of stuff we need.
Hey! No!
What? Say what? I literally freaking... I was in your face with the masons. Didn't hit. Weave.
You're still moving.
Weave.
Oh, stop me. You're scaring me. Ah.
Bad aim. Bad aim. Bad aim. That is redonkulous. I did the same thing and you didn't even die. Okay, see, this is what the engagement needs, right? A final round. A 3v3. It could be anyone's
Just follow the
game.
marbles. Off for the marbles, guys. Off for the marbles, guys. Off for the marbles.
See, that's the thing. It's come down to the wire. Wow.
Oh my god, man.
See, a happy ending. You know, that's what everyone wants. Joper, you're supposed to be like a villain. You're supposed to be like a villain, so people would be villainous towards you, and then everyone would think you're...
Well, am I supposed to go like, oh, you're going down, man. I'm gonna win.